Hey everyone, today I'll guide you through how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp, iPhone, iOS. So if you're eager to try out the new WhatsApp Meta AI feature, let's dive right in. Step 1, ensure WhatsApp is updated. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your iPhone. Head over to the App Store and check for any available updates. If there's an update, download and install it. Step 2, open WhatsApp and select Chat next. Open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Navigate to the chat or group where you want to use the Meta AI feature. Step 3, trigger the Meta AI chatbot. In the chat window, tap on the message box to start typing. Type at Meta AI without quotes and send the message. This will activate the Meta AI chatbot within the chat. Step 4, access Meta AI features. Once the Meta AI chatbot is activated, you'll see options to interact with it. You can send prompts and commands to the chatbot to utilize the AI software. Step 5, keep an eye on updates. If you don't immediately see the Meta AI option in your WhatsApp, don't worry. WhatsApp often rolls out new features gradually to different users and regions. Keep checking for updates and be patient if the feature isn't available. Yet that's it. You're now ready to explore the Meta AI feature on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.